is going on, everybody? This is Mark Dayton with Refresh Credit Solutions, and I bet you're probably watching this because you're wondering, how can you start to build credit when you don't have any credit in the first place, and your credit is not in a good place for you even to apply to get a credit card, to get a loan. This is a big issue that a lot of people have, including myself when I started to rebuild my credit. Was I need credit, but I can't get credit because of my bad and non-existent credit, right? So there's actually solutions around this. Part of what I do at the Refresh Credit Solutions is I do more than just repair. What can happen is I could repair your credit, get stuff removed, take things right off your report, increase your credit score. However, that doesn't give you credit. It just removes negative items from your credit score. So in pursuit to come up with a way to not only repair your credit and to remove items from your credit score, what I needed was a way for my clients to also start having credit being built, like a good credit line. So actually, awesome announcement is I've recently partnered with a company who does exactly this. And what it is I'm sure you've heard of this before. It's a secured credit card, right? And you're gonna want to wait until the end because I'm gonna tell you something awesome with this deal I have with this company. But with a secured credit card, what's gonna happen is you're gonna actually pay money. It's gonna be set aside basically, and then you're gonna get a credit card, and you're gonna start using this. And just 1 week after you use it, they're gonna start reporting it to the credit bureaus, meaning that now you're gonna start building a line of credit with your secured card. And the best part about all of this, guys, is it doesn't matter where your credit score is at. It doesn't matter if it's amazing. It doesn't matter if it's completely shot. The whole point of a secured card is to actually help you build that line of credit, because companies and banks and anyone who uses your credit score, they need to actually see some type of credit history being built. So the cool thing is with this company, guys, you can find the link in like the description of this video at my website at refreshcreditsolutions.com, or you could just directly message me. And this company reports it 1 week after you start spending. And if you sign up through my link, what's going to happen is they're going to waive any fee that it usually costs people. So now you're able to get your secured card without having to pay the fees that usually come with it. So this is going to save you money, and it's going to be an awesome way to start building up your credit. Again, it doesn't matter what your credit score is at, you could get approved. So definitely check out the link in the description, or message me, or go to refreshcreditsolutions.com. And this is how you can start to build a line of good credit no matter where your credit score is at now, even if no other credit card company or banks would ever give you a credit card or a loan. Anyways, guys, if you are interested in having a free credit consultation, just go to refreshcreditsolutions.com and fill out the form. And as soon as you do that, I'll be in contact with you, and we will just look over your current situation, what's going on, and what your goals are for the future, and see how I can help you reach that. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day.